Hey everybody, Hungry Tommy here, and you are watching me make a spicy tomato chipotle chicken soup in super high speed. I start out by boiling tomato, jalapeno, garlic, and cilantro for about 10 minutes. And while that's going, I prep all of my other vegetables. That was green beans, carrots, I did onions, an avocado, lime. You're going to see a serrano chili coming up here in a second. Those are extra spicy, but I leave all the seeds in because it makes it delicious. There goes some chicken, a lot of chicken. If you want to know how to make that chicken and the chicken broth that we're going to use, you can check my website out. We've got all that information there. Once those vegetables are done boiling, we drained them for the most part, left about a half a cup of water in there, and then pureed them along with some onion and some chipotle peppers and adobo. Now we're cooking that in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil for about 10 minutes to thicken it up a little bit. That's going to be our broth. We added the chicken stock, the garbanzo beans, the carrots, and the green beans back in, and we boiled that and then simmered it for about 10 minutes just to get those vegetables a little bit cooked, not soggy or anything. And then added the chicken and just heated that through because it was already cooked. So this is a delicious recipe. There, as you can see it, it's topped with an egg, which is a great thing to do. The serrano, the avocado, the lime, the cilantro, the onion, all that good stuff. You can get the complete recipe by checking out the link in the description. Hope you like and subscribe. Happy eating.